welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, it's time to do yet another garden tour. It's the month of August and things are starting to drift due to the climate change. And so I wanted to start in the front of our garden because the garden has been evolving already. So you can see that we already have an entrance done in the garden. There we have the ark that my lovely neighbor gave me. We have the mandevilla. The other mandevilla died because of our dog peeing on it. We have the crepe myrtle right there. We actually have two crepe myrtles. And we just added these two pedestals with pots on them. And so we did this DIY. I already posted a video on how to do that, so you could check back on how we did that. So let's go ahead and enter the garden. So Ultimate Gardeners, we're in the garden, and as you can see that we have the greenhouse behind me. So this structure was just added this year from the amazing Jessica Kaisha from the Blue Guys Homestead channel. She sent it out for me to have as a gift. And so we do have a pot here that's flanking the front of it. It does need a little retouch up on it because these are summer plants and we're moving into fall. And so coming in here, you can see we do have a great variety of things here going from the Nightdenias, from the Magnolia Gardens nursery. We have a whole lot of plants that we store here that are left over. And so here, yes, we do have a sprinkler system added to them. Just today, the sprinklers were just turned on because it hasn't been raining at all. And so we need that there. And so moving to this corner, we have a line of Piggy Sue irises right there. And so here we have the Golden Dorset apple tree that was sent to me by the Fast Growing Trees company. And then we have the red passion vine that I planted there. It's pretty sure starting to vine, so yeah. So let's go ahead and move on to the next area, which is over here. You can definitely see this area has definitely grown bigger ever since the last garden tour. So we have shrubs going in a little tiny swirl like that. Ending over there in the corner. So we have right there a bougainvillea, the green mound right there. We have a Chinese fringe flower. We have the early wonder camellia, the Hollywood hibiscus heartbreaker. We have a fountain grass, an elephant ear over there, another fountain grass, and then another bougainvillea, and then the Hollywood hibiscus Rico Suave all the way tucked in the corner. This area still has to be chosen on what to do with this area because I don't know what to put here because the lighting is very, very weird. And so I have to get back to you guys when I do that. So moving on to this area, this corner was just planted with 4 Amaryllis because here in South Florida, Amaryllis multiplies very easily. And so that's why I wanted that corner filled in through there. Those were from the Leo Burby's Best. They sent it out for me to try. Now we have the amazing Magi Dome right here. This Magi Dome, the connectors were sent to me by Magi Dome. And if you remember, we planted the moonflower seeds all the way through planting them in the ground. And look at how big they are growing, multiple buds growing everywhere. So let's enter really quick in here because I have 2 plants here that I want to show you. So here I have the pink chiffon Rosa Sharon that the Great Garden Plants sent me. And then I have the blue chiffon. The blue chiffon is taking its sweet time. I don't know why, but it is. So those will be removed. Then moving on to here, this was a new garden bed that was installed. This is the new second part of the veggie garden. You can see that this is the veggie garden, an in-ground raised bed. And then we have smart pots here, little gathering of them. Because here in South Florida, not many vegetables love our heat. And so coming into the season of fall, I'm already seeding and germinating a lot of different things. So let's move on to over here. So over here, this is the other gardens. So here I have the very old rose bush that I have ever since the garden was installed. It's growing very, very tall. We have a jadrofa tree right there, which I'm thinking it's gonna be planted in there. Not sure yet. We have gardenia and a gardenia edge that was just recently planted. Hopefully that does good. Then we have the original very first garden that was here. Nothing's planted in it yet. There is a few pumpkin plants that were just put it in there because I do want pumpkins to decorate the house with. This is one of the plants that were the first ones here. It's actually producing peppers for us. My neighbor loves that. Then we have just a random thing of plants here. The air conditioning's back here, so isn't that great? But yeah, these are Rosa Sharon cuttings that my neighbor brought for me from New York, and I kept the ones that were alive. And so yeah, that's it for the garden tour. It was very fast, and because we didn't have to cut through everything. I just germinated some tomato seeds here because tomato season is approaching and I need to have my tomatoes because my mom is aching for them. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So to my gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. So that was everything for the August garden tour. The garden has been evolving year after year, and I can't wait to see what the years ahead of us have in store for us. So my goal is for this entire backyard to be mine, hopefully at one point, but we'll see. I'm gonna stick with what I have now. But before we end this video, I wanted to give a huge thank you to all of you guys for supporting us on this channel and watching the years go by and watching the evolve of the Ultimate Garden. And I want to give a huge shout out to every company that we partner with, every company that has set out plans towards the garden, because it's a huge support. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.